Hi, you guys. So we're going to go through our agenda for this week. This week we have everything due on February 2nd. That is next Tuesday at 11:59. We are starting chapter 3, so everything will be located in our chapter 3 folder. And then to start off, we are going to kind of zoom through chapter 3. So we're going to watch our 13.1 through 13.3 video notes. Please complete this before you come to class. So this has to be done before you come to class. If you were not in class to get the notes, make sure you come and see me during Life Ed. They are foldables this week. They are green, so just remember that. And then after we complete those notes, we have the 13.1 through 13.3 homework assignment. This is not due until February 2nd, 11:59 due date. So the only thing I ask of you is that you have those notes done prior to class, and then your homework, we should have some homework time in class, so you should have time to get that done. So to go through our folder, we have some notes here, and then we will have our showing work page listed or taken a picture and posted here. Remember that you do not get points for your notes unless you fill out these questions on the last slide, and then make sure that your notes are ready for class, so bring those to class. And then your showing work page, you need to show your work for all of the problems, and that's all we have for this week in class. So I'm going to let you get started on all of that.